Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flush DNS, using CMD. It is actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and run your command prompt. Make sure that you run it as an administrator. There will be a prompt. Just click on yes. Now in here, what we're going to type is ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit enter. Now go ahead and type in ipconfig /register DNS. Hit enter. As you can see here, registration is done. Now type in ipconfig /release. Hit enter. Now type in ipconfig /renew. Hit enter. Now just type in netsh winsock reset and hit on enter. It says here, successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Just type in exit. Now go ahead and restart the computer. Once done, you're good to go. That's basically how you flush DNS in CMD. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.